Welcome back to the Next Level Interior. Today we are going to explore something very special, something that can completely transform your bedroom into a modern and stylish space. We are talking about bedroom TV unit wall designs. The bedroom is your private corner, your place to relax and escape after a long day. Adding a TV unit wall design makes the room not only functional but also fashionable. A well-designed TV wall gives you comfort when watching your favorite show or movies, but it also adds personality, elegance, and charm to your bedroom. In this video, we will explore many different styles our idea can use to inspire your own home. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this interior journey with us. And before we move further, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the Next Level Interiors. Your support really help us bring more amazing idea straight to you. When we talk about TV unit wall design for bedrooms, the first thing that comes to mind is simplicity. Some people love the idea of keeping their bedroom minimal, clean, and calm. A minimalist TV wall design uses straight lines, soft color, and very few elements. For example, you can mount your television on a plain white wall and add one simple floating shelf underneath. This look is not flashy, but it creates a calm, peaceful environment which is perfect for a bedroom. Imagine lying down after a busy day, switching on the TV and enjoying your favorite program without any clutter around you. That is the power of minimalist designs. Another great minimalist idea is to use soft pastel color behind your TV unit. A gentle gray or a shooting beige background makes the TV wall look elegant without seeking attention. You can add small LED strip lighting behind the television to create a glowing effect. It is simple, but it is feel very stylish. In fact, this is one of the most popular choice in modern homes today. Minimalist designs provide that sometimes less really is more. They remind us that we do not need heavy furniture or too many decoration to make a bedroom beautiful. Instead, balance and simplicity are enough. But of course, not everyone like to keep things so simple. Some people want their bedroom to feel like a luxury hotel shoot wherever corner looks rich and stylish. For them, luxury TV wall designs are a perfect choice. A luxury bedroom TV wall is usually wood with premium materials, thick of marble backdrop, glossy glass panel, wooden veneers, and even metallic accents. For example, you could mount your TV on a white marble wall with thin golden strip running along the sides. Below it, you can place a floating cabinet in matte black with soft hidden light. This kind of design instantly makes the bedroom feel like a five-star room. Luxury also come in different styles. If you like drama, you can try a deep colored wall panel such as navy blue Valiant textured leather with the TV in the center. Adding golden spotlight on the side give a dramatic and bold effect. Another luxury idea is to add a fireplace below the TV. Imagine lying in your bed on a cold evening watching a movie while the soft glow of fireplace snips beneath the television. This combination is comfort and luxury at its best. The beauty of luxury TV wall is that they don't just hold a TV, they create an entire atmosphere. Wooden TV wall design are another timeless favorite. Wood has a natural warmth that make any space feel cozy and welcoming. A simple oak wood panel behind the TV can instantly transform a plain panel wall into a stylish feature. If you prefer a darker, more sophisticated look, walnut or mahogany finishes work beautifully. Wooden wall also blend well with almost at any of bedroom decor from modern to traditional. Wooden walls also blend well with almost any type of bedroom decor from modern to traditional. One greatest design idea is to have a wooden wall with open shelves built into it. These shelves can hold books, decorative items, or even indoor plants. This way, your TV unit becomes both functional and decorative. Another clever way to use wood is by mixing it with other material. For example, a wooden backdrop with a white marble cabinet creates a balance between natural and luxury look. Scandinavian-inspired wooden designs using light-colored timber with hidden drawers are also becoming very popular in modern homes. This design keeps the bedroom simple but warm, clean but stylish. Wooden units are also very durable, making them a smart long-term investment for your bedroom interiors. Now, let's talk about bedrooms that don't have a lot of space. Many people live in apartment or a small home where bedrooms are compact. In such space, a heavy TV unit wall can make the room feel crowded. That's why small bedroom TV wall unit solutions are so important. A smart option is to use a wall-mounted TV with one slim floating shelf below it. This design keeps the floor clear and gives the elevation for more space. Another brilliant idea is to use sliding panels. You can hide the TV behind the panel when you don't need, reveal it when you want to watch. This makes the room look clean and clutter-free. For really smart bedrooms, corner-mounted TV units are also very effective. By placing the TV in a corner, you use an area that is often wasted. Adding a teeny wooden shelf below complete the design without taking up much space. A mirror panel behind the TV is another great trick for small rooms. The reflection make the bedroom appear larger and brighter. Some modern design even include foldable or movable TV units which can be tucked away. This clever idea shows that even the smallest bedroom can have stylish TV walls. Lighting is another key element in bedroom TV unit designs. The right lighting can turn a simple wall into a nice stunning. One of the most popular trend is using backlight panels. When the TV wall is fitted with LED strip lighting behind it, the television seems to float on the wall, creating a soft and relaxing glow. This is perfect for watching movies at night. You can also use vertical side light on a wooden panel for a clean modern look. If you want something more dramatic, try spotlighting textures wallpaper behind the TV. The shadows and highlight create deep and elegance. Floating TV unit with built-in lighting at the bottom are another traditional design. At night, the bottom of the unit flows softly, making the bedroom feel futuristic. For a truly luxury feel, some people use backlight marble panel. The natural stone with hidden lights creates a beautiful effect that feel both rich and shooting. And of course, for those who like variety, color changing LED strips are a great option. With a remote control, you can switching the light from warm yellow to cool blue or even to playful color like purple and green depending on your mood. With lighting at beautifully storage and functional. Bedroom TV wall are not just about holding the television, they can also help you organize the room. Many modern designs include drawer, cabinets, and hidden storage spaces. For more example, you can design full wall unit where the TV sit in the center, surrounding by closed cabinet or cloth book or accessories. This design makes the most of your bedroom while keeping everything neat. Another clever idea is to combine a wardrobe with the TV unit. This works especially well in a small bedroom where space is limited. This works especially well in a small bedroom where space is limited. The wardrobe door can have sliding panel and the TV can be pulled right into the center. Floating cabinets are another great storage friendly option. They look sleek, save floor space, and still give you room to store essentials. Some designs also include open selvage where you can keep small decor items like photo frames, candles, or indoor plants. This adds personality to the bedroom while keeping the design practical. The beauty of storage-friendly TV wall is that they combine style and functional. They ensure that your bedroom look clean and organized while still giving you a modern focal point. Floating design are also very popular today. A floating TV unit means that the furniture does not touch the floor. It is mounted on the wall, creating a floating effect. This makes the bedroom look more spacious and modern. Floating unit can be as simple one of single shelf below the TV or as elaborate as a full-length floating cabinet with drawer. Some design even include side shelves that also float, creating a completely modern look. The benefit of floating unit is that they keep the floor area open, which is perfect for small or minimalist bedroom. They also give the bedroom a light or very feel. Some homeowners prefer a mix of classic and modern styles. This design combines traditional elements such as curved wooden frame or vintage style handles with modern modular layout. For example, you could have a classic with panel round molding around the TV but pair it with slick floating shelves below. This combination creates a timeless look that never goes out of style. Another people blend is to use traditional pattern wallpaper behind a very modern flat TV. The contrast between old and new font create a unique stylish atmosphere. Classic meet modern design are perfect for people who want something elegant but also current. And finally, we step into the world of futuristic bedroom TV walls. These are designs that look ahead using technology and creativity layout to make the bedroom feel advanced and innovative. For example, you can design a TV wall with a smart glass panel that become transparent or opaque at the touch of a button. Some futuristic walls include built-in speaker, wireless charging pad, and hidden compartment. Imagine a world where the TV is completely invisible until you switch it on. It looks like a plain panel but suddenly light up with a screen. Kind of design is perfect for those who love modern technology. Other futuristic ideas include integrated LED panel around the TV, voice control lighting, and even holographic displays. Some designs have robotic shelves that move with one touch, or one color charging panel that's shooting throughout the day. Futuristic bedroom TV walls are all about combining design with innovation. They are not just stylish, they are smart, adaptable, and exciting. So as we can see, bedroom TV unit wall design come in many shape and style. From simple minimalist look to luxury marble walls, from cozy wooden panel to high texture futuristic design, there is something for everyone. Your bedroom TV wall is more than just a place to hold the television. It is your reflection of your taste, your lifestyle, and your personality. Whether you prefer calm simplicity, bold luxury, natural warmth, or advanced technology, you can find a design that suits you perfectly. Before we wrap up this segment, let me remind you once again, if you are enjoying these designs ideas, please give the video a like, share it with your friends who love home interiors, and subscribe to the Next Level Interior. We bring you the best design inspiration for your dream home, and your support keep us motivated to share even more.